We are going to discuss three-dimensional array. So in three-dimensional array, like the first and foremost thing is that how you will identify an array is a three-dimensional array or not. Simple. A three-dimensional array is one which will be having three square brackets after the data type. Okay. Okay. Let's see a syntax. Let's see a syntax of three-dimensional array. Syntax of three-dimensional array. Data type array variable name equals to new int array semicolon here size size. So here data type represents the type of data you are going to store, and the square brackets mention represents that what type of dimension you are using. So three-dimensional, two-dimensional. Okay, and variable name represents the type of what is the variable name you are going to provide. Okay, when you're storing the values in it, and here is the actual thing. So here the first size will tell that so what is the depth of the array, and the second size in tell you that like how many values you, how many rows you are going to store it actually. Sorry. Okay. How many values you are going to store it, and how many columns. This the third one will represent the how many columns will be there to store the values. Okay. So okay. Let's see. Let me give you an example. For example, let's say this is a three-dimensional array, and let's say I'll be giving the natural numbers as a the variable name new int array. Yes, 2, 3, and 4. Let's give 2, 3, and 4. Yes, someone is speaking. So let me see the memory representation of this three-dimensional array, and let me paste write it first over here. Int array 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 some natural numbers equals to new int array of 2, 3, and 4. The memory representation will be something like this. So first two indexes will be created, and numbers will be pointing to that, and it is 0 and 1. In each index I'll be storing the 3 rows. 1, 2. Okay. Sorry, 2, 3 rows. 2, 3. Okay. And for each one of this, for each one of this index, we'll be storing the 4 values. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So this is the memory representation. So for first size, we will be taking this. We will be creating this one, and for second, we will be creating this, and for fourth, for every index, we will be creating 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay. So let's see an example on this. Let's see an example on this. Pause for a second. So I'm creating a class called three-dimensional array client app, and this is a public static void main. Okay, and that's it. So here what I'll do is I'll take a different example. Actually, I'll create a 3 cross 2 by 3 cross 2 cross 3 matrix, sorry, array. Okay. I'll create a 3 cross 2 cross 3 array. Okay, which stores the values. Okay, so I'll say instead of 3 cross 3, let me take the same. Why confusions? 2 cross 3 cross 4. So int array, and we will be giving the variable name as natural numbers over there as well. So I'll be giving natural numbers and new int array, and here we'll be giving the sizes 2, 3, 4. The same we have taken in our example as well. So now what we are doing is, so here we will be creating, yeah. So yeah, fine. Here we will be 6, 24 values for the maximum. Okay, fine. Now I'll say natural numbers of uh, 2, sorry, natural numbers of 0. Uh, Let me write it in comments first. We're going to do here. So for natural numbers of 0, so we are storing internally, it will be creating one more array, so which will be taking the 3 inputs. Okay, so new int array, two-dimensional array I'm creating, and we will be mentioning 3 here. Okay. Numbers of 1 is storing to int array, and okay, now I got it. Now natural numbers will be having two indexes, 0 and 1. Okay, so in 0th index we'll be storing the 3 values. In first index also we'll be storing the 3 values. Okay, I'll say comments natural numbers should be storing the 3 values. So new int of 3. Again, natural numbers of, this is 0. Natural numbers of 0. Natural numbers of 1 goes to new int array of 3. Then natural numbers of 0, 1, 0, 0 will be storing the 4 values. New int of 4. Next, natural numbers of 0 will be creating 0, 1. Here we have natural numbers of 0. It will be creating 3 indexes, 0, 1, 2. Here it is creating natural numbers again. It will be creating a 3, 0, 1, 2. And here natural numbers of 0, 0. Let me write this one not to start the confusion. So yeah, natural number of 0, 0 will be storing the 4 values. Again, similarly, natural number of 0, 1, 0, 2 will be storing the 4 values. So here I will say 0, 1, 0, 2. So up to here, this one is fine. Natural numbers of 1 should be done now. Natural numbers of 0, 0 now equals to natural numbers of okay. This is entirely thing this is done. Now natural numbers of 1. So again it is storing 3 values. So we'll say natural numbers of 1 0 equals to 4 values, new int of 4. Natural numbers of 1 1, again it is storing 4 values. Natural numbers of 1 2, again it will be storing 4 values. Okay, so here 4 values in the sense it will start from 0 1 2 3 4. 0 1 2 3. So here it is 0 1 2 3. Similarly over here as well, 0 1 2 3. Just copy paste it from here to here. Yeah. Now, so how many indexes? 3, 3, 6, 24 values should be stored now. So let me store all those values. So I'll say, for example, I want to store the value natural numbers of 0, and I want to store the value 10 at a 0th index. So natural number of 0, 0, 0, right? So natural numbers of 0, 0, natural numbers of 0, 0, 0 equals to 10. Okay. Similarly, natural numbers of 0, 0, 1, 20, 2, 30, 3, 40. Okay. So this one is done. Now we have to store the value at the 0, 1 index. So natural numbers of 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, right? Natural number of 0, 1, and I want to store the value at the 0th index. That's why I'm saying 0, 1, 0. I'll store 50 over here. Okay, so again, same. Let me copy this to save time. So 0, 1, 1 at first index, I'll be storing the 60. At second index, I'll be storing the 70. And in third index, the third index, I'll be storing 80. Sorry, yeah, third index, it would be 80. So this is also done. Now let's concentrate on this. So natural numbers of 0 to 0. Natural numbers of 0 to 0. Let's start with that. I'll give 0 to 0. I'll assign the value 90. Natural numbers of, copy this, paste. So 0 natural numbers of so this is entirely natural numbers of 0 to, and we want to store the value 4 values. Okay, in like we want to store the 4 values in this index. So we have created a sorry, what is this? You know, size of the value, and here in every index we will be creating storing one value. Okay, so here 0 to 0, 0 to 1. Again 2. Again 3. Here help me change the values. 100, 110, 120. Okay. Okay, fine. Now here where we have completed this entire part. Let's come here. Natural numbers of 1, 0. Natural numbers of 1, 0. This part. 1, 0 and 1, 0 will be having the 4 indexes again. So it will start from 0th index. I want to store the 1, it is the value. I copy. Paste. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 40, 50, 60. Similarly, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. 70, 1, 1, 0. Natural numbers of 1, 1, 0. Okay, natural numbers. Yeah. Let me copy this. Paste. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me change the value. 180, 190, 200. Again, this one is pending. So 24 values it is storing it. Natural numbers of 1, 2, 0. Thing here 1, 0. Similarly, 20, 230, 240. Okay. Likewise, we have assigned the values. So if I want to read it any value, I'll use system.out.println and I'll say natural numbers of 1, 2, 0. Sorry, here I have to change the values to 0, 1, 0, 2, 3. Let's read the last value 1, 2, 3. Yes. See what value it will return. 240, right? Okay. Fine then. It's like tougher writing for three-dimensional array actually. So you have to be very careful while writing the three-dimensional array. Okay. So these many steps it took for me almost 20 minutes to write this one, to write a program on this. Okay, so I think see, you just concentrate till two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array. It's not enough. It's not necessary, as of my knowledge. Even arrays concept is deprecated actually. So you should know for for interview purpose only up to two-dimensional array. Very hardly they'll ask till two-dimensional. Otherwise they'll be asking only on one dimension. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Let's continue further. Let's see some of the methods of arrays.